It was a place which seemed to be mostly full of sheds. And what kind of nerd would find those interesting?
Wow!
I, however, wasn't experiencing such joy.
Why does everything have to be in Latin? Every single Hermales intermedia palladia. Presumably that's Latin for dead twig in some mud. Everything's dead. Look, it's all just dead. It's all dead, look, just a forest of deadness. What's this? Just...
That's a rose.
Will it grow by 5 o'clock this afternoon?
No, I'm afraid not, no.
In the shed zone, James was struggling to find something which matched his rigorous standards.
Now, this is dangerously close to being a gazebo, which means it will be misappropriated, look, by people on exercise bicycles.
Do you have any gorgonzola here?
Gorgonzola?
Gorgonzola.
I'll go and check for you.
Thanks. I don't mean gorgonzola, do I? That's a cheese. It's bougainvillea I meant. So what's alive that I could have?
You want
There's
the colour?
there's no point paying for daffodils, just go and nick those from a roundabout. No, I'm looking for
Hanging
something for a
baskets?
garden. A rower's garden.
Right.
I've been sent to get plants, but I just don't know, other than gorgonzola, no, what's it called? Gonorrhea.
Tree ferns?
Have you got any syphilis?
This is heading in the right direction, the 6x4 Apex shed of Shiplap Construction. It's a very simple structure, it has a window, but it's not really the shed for a man of the stature of 5-time Olympic gold medal winning Sir Steve Redgrave, CBE. We want something bigger.
Finally, I found something I recognised.
Greenhouses. I know what they're for. You can use them for growing apples and meat, eggs, stuff like that. Stuff that need to be warm. Go in there. Well, get one of those. Look at this. It's a Chlamydia lawsoniana, or as Richard Hammond calls it, a mighty Scotch pine.
So far, we'd been on the job for 2 hours, and Sir Redgrave's garden had gone from looking like this to looking like this. But no matter, we were men on the move.